Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch special Android Pie system for Nissan Qashqai 27 to 2013 years. Okay, you can check the whole head unit. It's a very big head unit. Okay, let me do review. Okay, this dangerous button, there are air fan. It comes with the install part and screws. This install part and the screws will come with head unit, and this comes with special harness, this radio antenna, and this connector. Okay, let me show head unit. Okay, you can adjust the brightness. Very dark. And adjust the brightness. You can choose the time, and you can choose logo. You can check settings. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose the Nissan logo. This back home, you can change the logo, and you can change this color. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce all apps. You can check this DSP amplifier, and it's built in Google Maps. It's Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Let me check the settings. It's built in Wi-Fi, connected Wi-Fi. This MCU variant, CPU octa-core memory size is around 4 GB. It's PX5 octa-core and Android 9 Pie system. Okay. Let me back check the storage. What's this storage? You can check total 64 GB storage. Okay. Okay, first let me introduce Bluetooth. This device name and the pin number. Let me open my phone. Okay, you can enable Bluetooth from your phone. Click search button. Click pair. We'll get the command. Please put 401234. Click OK. Okay, connected. Show Bluetooth icon. You can make a phone call. Okay, it works. And you can stream music from your phone. Okay, this is streaming music from your phone. This is USB driver. There are two USB cables. 1, 2. DSP amplifier. Heard the jazz sound. You can run in Google Navigation and music at the same time. Video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Car setting, find drama setting, and setting watch video. And play video game. It's Samsung 4K demo video around the world. Okay, it's built-in microphone and reset home. Okay, that's all. Thank you. You can check the whole head unit. Very big. Okay, thank you.